welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is another Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY. I'm so into this. This time, this is so simple. Not that the others haven't been, but this is going to be a farmhouse wall hanging. It's so simple and I think really cute. So let me show you what you'll need if you want to make this really cute and easy farmhouse wall hanging from the Dollar Tree, okay? All right, you're going to need one of these signs that just says Fresh Eggs Daily that has the little rooster on the top. At least it looks like a rooster to me. Or some piece of decor from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need this little gather sign from the Dollar Tree. And this Bless Our Home All Who Enter sign from the Dollar Tree, okay? And then you're going to need some of Dollar Tree's burlap ribbon, and I got this one. It's just so pretty. I've had this in my stash for a while, but they have it all the time there, at least mine does. And then I took this little bow off of the picture that I made my washboard with yesterday. So that I'm going to incorporate in it, and you'll need a glue gun, and maybe E6000 if you're going to do this. So let me get everything ready and we'll get started. Okay, what I'm going to do first of all is just unroll this ribbon and just sort of see. I know I want these to start 4 inches above. So I'm going to put this one about right here. Just sort of figure out where you want it. And then just kind of evenly space them till it looks appealing to you. Okay, then I'm going to go up here and give myself some room. I know you probably, it's hard to see. Probably right about here, and I'm going to cut that off. And we're not finished with this yet, okay? So then I'm going to flip this back around, take my glasses off so I can see really well up close. I'm going to put a lot of hot glue and just make sure that you get it where you want it and press down. And it won't take very long to glue, but I want to make sure that it doesn't come through the underside onto my countertop. That's why I have my little cutting board from the Dollar Tree. So as soon as this finishes drying, we'll move to the next one. Okay, it's dry now. You could also put wax paper under this. I just had some aluminum foil and I picked it up, okay? And now we're going to put our next one with a good bit of glue right in the center. And the trick with this is just make sure you get them straight and level so this will hang straight and level, okay? And then kind of pick it up off of the foil, okay? And then we'll go to our next one and kind of space them out evenly. This is so easy. It would make a great gift. And I think it will give a wonderful look, okay? Now once this thoroughly dries, I'll be back and we'll finish this off. Okay, this is pretty well dry, okay? So now I'm just going to take this. This is so easy. I mean, even if you can't make a bow, you can do this. I'm gonna sort of tilt that way. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're just going to fold it over on itself, sort of like a ribbon, like that. This is very easy to do, and you can just measure how big you want that little top to be. You don't want to overwhelm it. And then I'm going to cut this off right across through here, okay? Now, all we have to do Okay, I've changed angles, hoping you can see this better. Now I'm just going to take some glue, put it right in between this right here, press down with these on my little board here. Just press it down right in there. We're going to glue that together. Then we're going to take it and glue it right up here near the top, okay? As close to the top as we can get it. I'm going to put it back on my aluminum foil because I don't want it to become a permanent fixture. And just press down. Okay? Then we're going to take our little bow and we're going to put it right there. I think this is going to be so cute. You could also attach this with Velcro or something strong. You definitely want something strong, okay? So let this cool, and then what I want to do is I'm going to chevron these ends by bending them together and cutting them up there like that. I think this one needs to be a little shorter so I can see that rooster's head. Probably should have put it up higher. Okay, let's take a look at it. Here it is. I think it is adorable. You could even put rulers behind it if you thought that it needed more support, and I'm just going to hang it by this top loop. You could also hook like a chenille stem through there to hang it, but isn't this so cute and so easy? It's going to be so pretty in my home decor. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, guys. Bye, guys.